Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome back to my another YouTube video. So the topic for today is which pairs that are gonna make you profitable during this week. So we're going to analyze some pairs and see which pairs are ready for us to enter. And make sure if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, make sure to ask down below. And don't forget to get into my Telegram group where I send free signals and I show you how I analyze my charts. The link is down below so you can see how I trade. So let's get down to the chart, guys. This is gold. So this is on the four hour time frame. I just want to go to the daily time frame. Just want to see the previous high. So I'm still looking for buy opportunity. I just want to put this here so I can know my target because gold is still buying. So let's go down to the smaller time frame. Obviously our target is going to be here. So let's go down to the smaller time frame and just check what's happening. Because if you see, we still have a continuation pattern. I don't see anything here. Let me go down to the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, I'm seeing something. I'm seeing a continuation pattern to the upside. So this is the 15-minute time frame, guys. Still looking for opportunity to the upside. So what I'll be expecting on gold here is wait for it to come here for a third touch. Waiting for it to come for a third touch. Then I'll go up with it. Sometimes gold doesn't come for a retest. Should look out for that. Sometimes it doesn't come for a retest. Then should. This is what I'll be waiting for. Obviously, my target won't be here. My target will be here. This will be my target on gold. Let me just zoom it for you guys. So obviously my target is gonna be here because you can see we still have a continuation pattern to the upside. Broke, correction, then still go up. So on gold, I'm still looking for a buy opportunity, see how the market opens, but definitely waiting for a third touch here. This is a strong zone on the 4 hour, as we have seen. So I'll definitely wait for it to come touch here on the zone, then it's a third touch, confirmation, then go up with it. Obviously, if it comes for third touch, here will be my first entry and here will be my second entry. So I'll patiently wait for it to see how the market goes. This is on gold. We're still looking for buy opportunity until the market tells us so. So the second pair we're going to check is GBP JPY. GBP JPY is still looking for a sell entry. This is the 15-minute time frame. So this is what I'll be waiting for. Let's just go down to the 4 hour just to see what's happening. And we'll go down to the smaller time frame. So this is a bigger continuation pattern. This is a bigger continuation pattern. As you can see, price broke and this is a bigger correction. I thought I might get a third entry here on this strong zone here, but I see that it rejected here. So if it rejects, I'll look for a pattern until it tells me so, but I was looking for a third entry somewhere here on GBP JPY, but I see it's rejecting here. There is a strong zone here on the 4 hour time frame. Let's just go down to the 4 hour time frame just so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is the zone I'm talking about. This is a strong zone that I'm talking about. I was waiting for it to break, come for a retest. I was going to go in for a buy, but it was a short buy until it comes for my third touch. Then that's when I was gonna move with it, but it didn't pass this strong zone here. So there's another pattern here. As you can see, this is the daily time frame. There's another pattern. Price broke this trend line. Then now we're seeing something on the smaller time frame. We're seeing a continuation pattern. So I'm gonna look for sell opportunity. Price broke here, broke the structure. Price broke the structure, then came and created another correction. So this is the 15-minute time frame. So obviously I'm gonna wait for it to break this trend line. Wait for it to come break. Retest. Then I'm going down with it. Obviously it's gonna be my first target, and that will be my first target. And wait for it to eventually come and break the structure again. So, but here my first target is gonna be here. This will be my TP, my first TP, because it broke the structure here. So obviously it will come, break, then come for a retest, then that's when I'll still go down with it. So this is my analysis for GBP/JPY. If you're confused, ask me so I can help, guys. So it's another pattern here. So just waiting for it to come and break, then that's where I can go down with it. If you can see, if I zoom in, you can see here, this is a strong zone here. Strong zone is here. Couldn't pass the zone. Couldn't pass the zone here. Couldn't pass the zone here. As you can see, I might go in. Might go in here. Let me just check something. Just wait for market to open, then I might go in. Might go in, and obviously it's gonna be 40 pips. Let me just remove this one here. And I just want to check the risk ratio, but definitely it's more than 1:3. So every time you get an entry, you should know that you should risk 1:3. This is 1:9, so it would be beautiful setup for the week. So I'll just wait for the market to open and see how it plays, but definitely might go in and go down with it. So this is a beautiful setup. I didn't see this on Friday. I don't know why. Was actually waiting for it to break, come for a retest, then that's when I was gonna go down with it, but it didn't come for a retest. But here it's a strong zone. Here it's a strong zone, so that's where I will go in and sell GBP JPY. So the third pair that we're gonna check is AUD CAD. Remember AUD CAD, I'm still looking for sell entry, because if you remember correctly, our target is here. Let me just our target for AUD CAD. I don't know why I removed my trend lines. Why I removed my trend lines, but it's fine. So I'm still looking for a sell opportunity. Our target is gonna be here. So we're still going short on AUD. Nothing has changed. Let me just go down to the smaller time frame and see what's happening. Let me just delete this. So price broke, came for a retest that didn't go in then, but it's still playing here, so meaning there is a strong zone somewhere here. So I'll wait for a market to open and see how it plays. But definitely we're still going down, but it hasn't completed the pattern yet. So I will still get an entry, then go down with it. In the risk ratio for this, I'm definitely sure is 1:3. So obviously, if I get in this trade, this is the scenario that I have. I go in. Obviously, my stop loss will be here. To 20 pips. And my target is gonna be here. Let me just go down to the daily time frame so I can show you my target. My target is gonna be somewhere here, so it's definitely is gonna be 1:12 or 13. So I'm definitely going to enter, but I just have to wait for the market to open and see what the market is telling me. But definitely I'm going in the straight because I've been waiting for an entry, went in here, made some profits, and then it came, took me out on profits, but I'm still waiting for an entry because I definitely know that we're still going to the downside until the market tells me so. So the last pair we're gonna check is Euro and ZD. I removed CHF JPY. If you remember, I had CHF JPY, so I removed it because it's a positive correlation with GBP JPY. So if I enter them both, if one goes to loss, the other one goes to loss also. So I don't like positive correlation on those two pairs. So let's see what's happening here on Euro and ZD. Just wanna see what's happening here. Go down to the weekly time frame so I can understand what's happening here. So this is big impulse correction, then it's another correction, then big impulse, then I think this is a bigger correction. Let's just go down to the smaller time frame, but I'm seeing strong buy to the upside. So just look for what's happening here. Might see a pair. Sorry, I might see a pattern here. Because if you can see previously here, this was a continuation pattern to the upside. This was a continuation to the upside. So you can see this clearly. You can see this clearly. Impulse, then this was just a bigger correction than impulse. So here it's also a bigger correction. So if I come here, can see that here was also a continuation pattern to the upside. So I'll be looking for buy opportunity on this pair. So for now, I'm not seeing anything on this pair. I see it broke the structure. So this is a bigger correction, but it's a bit messed up. So I'll just have to see what the market is telling me because this pair is messed up. So have to wait and see what's happening. But if you can see this is impulse, then this is a correction, then went and made profit to hit our 90% rule. But I have to see what's happening here in order for me to go in the trade. At the way I see it, we're still going to the upside, still going to the upside. Might have to see what's happening here, but definitely I see that we're still going to the upside. We just have to wait and see how the market plays and see which pattern it's gonna represent and see if we go up or we go down with it. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy your day.